Howdy y'all, this is Dwight and welcome back to my channel. Well, as we can see, I got a nice batch of pocket knives in the works, and out of that batch, this here's the first one that I finished. It's my trapper pattern, and quite honestly, all of them with the exception of that one right there, they're all trappers. So, I'm on a trapper kick right now, I reckon. But anyhow, this one right here, blade and back spring is CPM 154. I did a 400 grit hand sanded finish there on the blade. Actually CPM 154, I use that for a majority of the knives that I make. Got stainless liners, did some file work there along the spine. Did a 400 grit finish on the inside of the back spring there. And the handle scales is G10. It's orange and black layered. Just a basic handle. Nickel silver pins. And I did the bird's eye style pivot with a stainless bushing and of course nickel silver for the hinge pin there. Has a very nice action. I'd say it's a nice medium pull, and I'm pleased because it feels nice and smooth, even though it has a very nice detent on it. And has a lovely sound. Felt like I could play with that for a few minutes, opening and closing it. But anyhow, this here has been my 111th pocket knife that I've made so far. So I appreciate y'all stopping by and taking a look at it. Till the next one, y'all take care.